Today I will show you how to make this pop-out effect in Photoshop. Draw a rectangle. Choose any color and fill. Select no stroke. Press Ctrl or Command T. Right-click and choose Perspective. Right-click again and choose Distort. Press Enter. Insert your image. Decrease opacity and adjust image position. Reset opacity back. Right-click and create clipping mask. Duplicate layer by pressing Ctrl or Command J. Go to Select and choose Subject. Click on Mask icon down here. Duplicate rectangle layer. Add stroke. Follow settings. Change this rectangle layer color to black. Press Ctrl or Command T. Right-click and choose Warp. Follow the process. Go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. If you see this message, click on Convert to Smart Object or Rasterize. At around 12 pixels, then click OK. Decrease fill little bit. Finally, create a color lookup adjustments layer. Choose Fall Colors Look. Decrease opacity. And this is the final result. Thanks for watching.